Welcome to E-English Vault. Today's read-along passage is Going to the Doctor. Read along in simple English. Practice reading, listening, and speaking. Repeat after me to practice speaking. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English reading videos. Yesterday, I was not feeling well. Yesterday, I was not feeling well. I had a cough and a small fever. I had a cough and a small fever. My mother took me to the doctor's clinic. My mother took me to the doctor's clinic. The clinic was clean and quiet. The clinic was clean and quiet. Many people were waiting for their turn. Many people were waiting for their turn. After some time, the nurse called my name. After some time, the nurse called my name. I went inside the doctor's room. I went inside the doctor's room. The doctor asked me about my problem. The doctor asked me about my problem. He checked my temperature and listened to my chest. He checked my temperature and listened to my chest. Then, he gave me some medicine and told me to rest. Then, he gave me some medicine and told me to rest. My mother bought the medicine from the pharmacy. My mother bought the medicine from the pharmacy. I came home and drank warm soup. I came home and drank warm soup. After sleeping, I started to feel better. After sleeping, I started to feel better. Going to the doctor helps us stay healthy. Going to the doctor helps us stay healthy. It is important to take care of our body. It is important to take care of our body. Vocabulary and meaning. Cough. A sudden sound from the throat when you are sick. Fever. A high body temperature when you are ill. Clinic. A small hospital or doctor's office. Nurse. A person who helps doctors and takes care of patients. Temperature. The measure of how hot your body is. Chest. The front part of the body between the neck and stomach. Medicine. Something you take to get better when you are sick. Pharmacy. A place where you buy medicine. Healthy. Strong and free from sickness. Rest. To relax and not work. Great job reading with me. Like, comment, and subscribe to English Vault. Tap the bell for more easy English videos. When was the last time you visited a doctor? Share in the comments at English Vault.